Oh, go ahead.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Woodman34X. Some of my fellow colleagues and students at Lipscomb University have requested a very informational video, and this is how to make a Keurig coffee. So, boom, look at this little Keurig spinner. Boom, pick what you want. Do you want premium, or do you want Colombian? I think my friend Jonathan wants premium. So, let's make it. So boom, gotta grab your Keurig cup, make sure it's certified. Keurig right there, bam! Then, this is crazy, you push this lid open. You then insert, then you spin around, slam it down, and you push start. But you want to make sure you have a cup there, because then you beat the geese. And also don't forget, you can also take this off, boom, fill up your water. Or, oops, oh, making a mess. Oops, oops, oh, that's not good. I think someone's... Get it on. Oops, it's making a mess. Don't do that. So guys, this is how to make a Keurig coffee. Don't forget, plastic's good because then you can get the good fumes and get sick from plastic poison. But hey, you gotta drink coffee right. Alright, so guys, this was how to make a Keurig coffee. Don't speak the geese.